The market trend of decentralized control systems within the hazardous area zone of a process plant is becoming the industry standard. Traditional setups demand extensive equipment within confined control rooms, leading to a maze of cables and junction boxes in the field. The Field I/O system eliminates the need for multiple instrumentation junction boxes being in the field, as they are replaced with a single cabinet housing a high volume of I/O. Our Field I/O cabinets are located near the end devices at different spots and in various applications for a greenfield site or a brownfield upgrade. Multiple I/O cables will be replaced by a single master cable, making the installation more efficient and reducing costs. This design concept drastically reduces the amount of armored cable and cable management required to take these cables safely around the plant. It also means that the size of the traditional costly air-conditioned control room is drastically reduced, saving on valuable real estate in a process facility. Our Field I/O systems are engineered solutions for specific applications. Protected by our EX-certified steel enclosures, they contain communication, electrical and mechanical products from our extensive Weidmüller product portfolio or third-party products. The umbrella certification process, combined with our extensive accredited laboratories, allows us to develop certified Field I/O systems in an efficient, fast and flexible manner. Your partner from concept to fully certified engineered solutions.